So for the non-Newtonian liquid, I will be doing what's commonly called as Oobleck. So the ingredients I'm using are, well, corn flour, as you can see, and water. So when we mix these two, you end up getting a non-Newtonian fluid. But don't put too much water, as it's not going to work. So let's get started. I'm just using a long toothpick for mixing, and let me add water slowly and start mixing. So a bit of water and mix. And at this stage you can already feel that it is not um, watery, it sticks hard at times, so kind of a non-Newtonian fluid thing. So if you push hard when in water, it well blocks your way, but if you do it gently, it allows you to mix. As just it's the same thing for the new parts which are unmixed as well here. So when you do it hard, it's well not budging, but when you do it gently, it mixes. So now that I don't have really the patience to just keep doing it slowly, I just do it this way. So as you can see, while mixing it's hard. If I just go harsh on it, if I go gentle on it, it's smooth. Again, if I go hard, you can see the openings being created, but if I go smoothly, no such openings are created at all. So this is a non-Newtonian fluid, and once mixed, I'll show you a demonstration as to what happens. So I have a pen here, and if I stab it hard, it's rock solid. Stab it hard again, it's rock solid. But then if I gently push it, it goes in. And it is, well, oobleckified now. If I stab it hard again, it's rock solid. So that's how you make a non-Newtonian fluid, that is Oobleck in this instance.